Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I will sharing with you my own version of Chinese black pepper beef noodles. It's very easy and yummy. Okay, first thing, we need our rice noodles. So we'll cook this in a pot of a boiling water and add some salt and oil. Then we will just drop our rice noodles or pasta in here. For the black pepper beef stir fry, okay guys, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add the marinated beef. Ito guys, nakikita nyo. At a 500 grams of beef stick guys, cut into thin strips and marinated with soy sauce. And we gonna add in our capsicum, red and green. We add in our onions, sliced thinly. We add in our ginger, garlic, shredded or minced. Add in our oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, and regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, sugar, it's a brown sugar, 1 tablespoon, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Then mix lang natin. So we're just let simmer and turn off the flame. Okay guys. Oh. Then we add our slurry. Okay guys, it's 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And let's add some mint leaves and green onions. Oh, it smells so good. So this is about done. And I adding again a splash of sesame oil. So guys, now we plated for all of you. Serve with the rice noodles or egg noodles. It's yummy, guys. Okay, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to share and like my video as well. Okay guys, enjoy watching and happy cooking. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. And would love to hear your comments and suggestions. And don't forget to click and share. Bye everyone, and God bless us all. I'll see you again next time. Okay guys. And thank you sa lahat ng supporters at sa lahat ng magaganda niyong comments. Thank you so much guys.